She's never had this before. This is first time eating it. She's a 6-year-old Jack Russell. I need to put her on a clean diet. And she did smell my fingers and licked them. And we'll see how she likes this. I mixed it up 1/3 cup feed to 1/3 cup and a little bit more of water. And she's eating it. The most she had today, at about 7 this morning, she had a hard-boiled egg. And it's about 4 o'clock now. And she seems to be really liking it. Is that good? Is that good? Tilly, is that good? That's what it looks like, all soaked up with water for 15 minutes. Well, there it is. No tail wagging, but she's really diving in pretty good at it. So that's a thumbs up for me.